Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 3345 smallest divisible digit product 1. So this is quite a recent problem. So we'll understand this problem with some examples and the logic and as well as the solution. So let's start. You are given two integers n and t. Return smallest number greater than or equal to n such that product of its digits is divisible by t. Okay. So we'll understand this with some examples. N can be between 1 to 100, T can be between 1 to 10. Okay. So let's take a look at this example. So N is equal to 15, T is equal to 3. So we want to find out a number which is 15 or basically more than 15, where its product is of the digits is divisible by t, right? So 1 into 5, so the product is equal to 5 of the digits. Is it divisible by 3? No, it's not divisible by 3. Then we will have to try next number 16, right? The product of its digits is 6 into 1 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Yes, 6 is divisible by 3. So 16 is the smallest such number where the uh, product of these digits is divisible by the t, correct? So this is what we want to find out, guys. So I hope you understood this problem clearly. The other example they have is 10. So the 10 is 1 and 0. Its product is 0. 0 is it divisible by 2? Yes, it's divisible by 2. So 10 is the answer. Okay. So now the interesting part is how will we find out the digits product, right? The digits products for the number basically. For example, you have a number 16. Now you want to find out the digits product. So what will be the digits product? 1 into 6, right? Because there are two digits here, right? 1 and 6. So that's what we want to find out. Okay, so in the beginning the product is 1. What we can do actually is you can do mod operator, right? So you can do mod 10 here, right? The mod 10 will give you 6, right? Then that is one of your digit, right? Okay, and then you will divide this 16 by 10 basically, correct? 16 by 10, and then what you will get? 1, correct? 1. Again you do the same thing, you do the mod 10 operator here, right? Mod 10, it will give you 1. So this is another digit that you found, and 1 divided by 10 here it's getting less than 0 basically, right? So we will stop here, right? So you find two digits here and you can just multiply this 6 by 1 will give you 6, again multiplied by 1 will give you 6 basically, right? So this is the way you can find out the digits product actually of the given number, okay, by using the mod 10 logic. And then you can just compare this product what you are getting with the you can just take this 6 product. Now your value is what here? T value is 3. If 6 this product that you got mod t value, right? Mod t value, so t value is 3 here. If it is 0, right, it means that it is completely divisible by t. Then you will just consider that number as your answer. Okay, so this is the basic idea, guys. So let's go ahead, take a look at the Java code. Java code is very simple for this one. So let's take a look here. So this one is what I was talking about. So is divisible. So you have a number, you want to check if this number is divisible by 3 or not. Not number, numbers, digits products basically is divisible by 3. Okay, so now product is 1 in the beginning, while number is greater than 0. You calculate the number mod 10, you will get that digit, you will multiply the product by the digit, right? So product is equal to product multiplied by digit, and number you will divide it by 10. So exactly what we did here, we divided by 10 here, right? So same thing, you will keep doing this until your number is more than 0, right? Greater than 0. At the end you get the product, right? You got the product here, 1 multiplied by 6 digits product you got 6. You have to take mod t, right? Mod t you have to take. If it is 0, it means that it's completely divisible by the t, right? Okay, so this is a helper method we have. Now this helper method will use it in our main method. So smallest number is what we have it here, n and t. Number is equal to n. We will loop in this while loop until it's completely divisible, right? So number and numbers digit, so you pass number and t, and you will check if its product of its digits is completely divisible by t. You will return that number, otherwise you will keep incrementing the number until it actually happens, correct? So 15 it did not work in this case, then you go to 16, then like that basically, right? You have to, because you have to try the smallest number, right? So run this code, make sure this code is working correctly now. So as you can see here, 10 is the correct answer and 16 is the correct answer right here. So we'll submit this code now to the Leetcode. Make sure this code is getting accepted by the Leetcode, and as you can see on your left side, the code is successfully accepted. These numbers are changing constantly. Let's try one more time guys for you. So this is the way you can solve this problem. So it was showing me 100% before some time, so I'm not sure. So this is the way you can solve this problem. 3345 smallest divisible digit product 1. So very simple mathematics related coding problem that you should know how to find out the digits of each number, right, of any number basically. So you can use this concept to find any number's digits, right? So even if it is a big number, you can use the same concept here of mod 10. Okay, so I hope this video helped you understand this concept of finding the digits as well as solving this problem with this example. If you like this Java solution, then please subscribe to our channel now. Click on the bell notification icon button so you won't miss any important videos from our channel. And if this solution helped you understand this problem clearly, then definitely give a like for this video guys. Your like is very important for our channel. And share these videos as much as possible with your friends, your colleagues, so they will also watch and learn from these videos. On this channel we create content and videos to help others learn more about the concepts of computer science, its applications, programming, data structures and algorithms. We have more than 600 different varieties of coding problems. Those coding questions are asked by Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo, Google, Meta in their past interviews. And we came up with very important playlists that you should watch right now if you're planning to take any interview rounds. The names of those playlists from this channel includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, problems solved by using binary search, dynamic programming, recursion, memoization, how to use and apply BFS and DFS on graphs, matrices and trees. You can use this channel to learn lots of data structures related coding problems where we have used stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap, arrays, array lists, linked lists. So everything is here guys. Take advantage of these videos, go through them. They will definitely help you learn lots of new things. New techniques of problem solving, Java programming and coding. If you are a Java consultant, we also have very important telephonic interview related videos for you, where we discuss frequently asked Java telephonic interview questions and how to answer them. Where we have covered core Java, Java J2E, Spring, Hibernate, JPA related questions. On this channel, you will find lots of MySQL related coding problems also solved and explained. Those problems are asked in the in-person rounds of interviews, so make sure you go through them and learn how to solve them. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.